Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic rear light. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your car is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. You'll typically find the access panel for the rear light assembly inside the trunk or tailgate area. This initial preparation makes the process much smoother. Once you've accessed the area, you'll need to remove the retaining screws or clips that hold the light assembly in place. These are usually visible once the access panel is open. Gently pull the entire light assembly straight out from the vehicle body. Be careful not to force it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. Now that the assembly is free, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Carefully pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out of the socket. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, then reinsert the socket into the assembly, twisting it clockwise until it locks. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the light assembly, ensuring it clicks into place. Carefully align the light assembly with its mounting points and push it back into the vehicle body. Secure it with all the original screws or clips you removed earlier. Test your new light to confirm it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for links to quality tools, replacement parts, and other great deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.